Stepping through the doors of country club lanes transports you back to a nearly 65-year tradition of fun, community, and dazzling architectural style. Country club lanes first welcomed the public in early 1960, rising on Watt Avenue as part of one of the most memorable retail corners in Sacramento that would soon include Tower Records and Books and Sam's Hofbrau. Owned by the Cassis family, prominent Lebanese immigrants who built a business empire in Sacramento after immigrating in the 1920s, the family also developed Arden Fair and other properties. The Cassis family's connection to the facility continues to this day as the family still owns Country Club Lanes. The building, designed in that iconic Googie style by Powers, Daly, and DeRosa, wowed Sacramento with its parabolic and hyperbolic roof lines, glitzy neon, and interiors that offered not just bowling, but a full entertainment destination. Its debut was nothing short of cinematic. 48 gleaming lanes, a dazzling Candle Rock lounge complete with waterfall and revolving bandstand, a chuck wagon-style dining area, billiard room, banquet-friendly cypress room, and even a supervised children's romper room. This disco-era icon has experienced life as both a daytime family hub and a nighttime hotspot. Completely remodeled in 1992, its neon glow and welcoming environment have made it a gathering place for all ages, from league bowlers, birthday celebrants, high school students, and casual enthusiasts. It has seen generations of family grow up under its lights. More than 6 decades later, it remains a beloved institution in Sacramento. Country Club Lanes is not just an entertainment venue, but a cultural landmark that embodies Sacramento's community spirit.